I'm Trinky Watson with Chase International. Let me show you this special property at 1140 Vivian Lane, just off prestigious Lakeshore Boulevard in Incline Village. This private enclave has 13 properties that share a beach and pier, plus each property has an assigned buoy for your special boat. I think it's interesting that this house was built in 1998 and still looks very contemporary. I particularly love the architectural feature of these beautiful, beautiful beams. Between the living room and kitchen is a formal dining room. I love this spacious kitchen with its attached breakfast nook and wonderful appliances. And look at this great gas fireplace. From the lower suite, we continue to the large game room and bar with its own full bath. At the top of the stairs, turn left to the amazing master suite with its double closets, balcony, attached office, and beautiful bath with adjoining sauna. You'll notice brass hardware that was in vogue when the house was built and has now returned to interior fashion. You can enjoy the beautiful lake view from the master suite's private balcony. Adjoining this family TV room is the upstairs laundry and library, which could also become the 5th bedroom with adjoining bath. Next to this are 2 more very comfortable suites with walk-in closets. This property lends itself to beautiful entertaining on both sides of the house. Take a stroll through the garden, past a couple of homes to the private beach, pier, and buoy. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you have any questions, love to hear from you. Love to schedule a private tour.